welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss the concept of monitoring the storage infrastructure. At the end of this video, you will be able to explain the monitoring of storage infrastructure, state the parameters for monitoring the storage infrastructure, understand the components that should be monitored in storage infrastructure. Monitoring is fundamental procedure that represents storage infrastructure management. Monitoring helps to analyze the deployment of several storage infrastructure components. It ensures the optimal use of resources and supports capacity planning, trend analysis, and impact analysis. It also provides status of storage components and information related to overall management activities. Now, let us understand the key parameters that should be monitored in a storage infrastructure. Accessibility monitoring refers to availability of the components to perform a desired operation. This ensures the availability of a component when it works without failure at any given point. For example, in a multipath data access environment, failure in a host bus adapter restricts the host to connect with few paths for accessing the data devices and degrades the overall performance of the network. Capacity monitoring refers to the available amount of storage infrastructure resource. It ensures the continuous availability and scalability of data by avoiding interruptions. For example, in a network, if more than 90% of the ports are utilized, then capacity monitoring adds more switches for installing arrays and servers in order to ensure uninterrupted data availability. Performance monitoring analysis: the system's behavior to evaluate the performance of different storage infrastructure components such as input-output devices, disks, application response time, and server CPU utilization. It also helps in identifying blockages in network. Security monitoring helps to prevent unauthorized access and logins. It also restricts unauthorized entities from changing the configuration of storage infrastructure elements. Now, let us understand the key components that should be monitored for these parameters. A host computer is a device that supports the running of applications that are involved in storing and retrieving data. The accessibility of a host depends upon the associated hardware and software components running on it. The storage network provides data accessibility by interconnecting shared pool of storage devices to multiple servers. Storage networking links the storage devices together and connects them to a centralized network. A storage environment refers to a set of arrays with several disk drives primarily used for data storage. Monitoring the storage environment comprises the accessibility of the input-output devices, databases, and disk drives. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. Monitoring is fundamental procedure that represents storage infrastructure management. Parameters that need to be monitored in a storage infrastructure are accessibility, capacity, performance, security. Components that should be monitored: host, storage network, storage. Thank you for watching this video.